What's up, everyone? This is the Roommate Investor back with another video. Today, we're going to talk about student housing. Should you get into student housing? And of course, the answer, as always with real estate, is it depends. What is student housing? Student housing is when you're renting out by the bedroom to college students. They don't necessarily have to be college students, but majority are. And you're renting out a big home and you're sectioning off the home in bedrooms. Now, the benefit of this is the income that you're receiving from the property is usually double or almost triple sometimes as you will receive as to regular rent. Of course, with this comes higher maintenance, higher turnover, and more day-to-day activity. One of the best parts about student housing is the cash flow that you're receiving. And when it comes to purchasing other properties in real estate, you're able to use that cash flow as income, which allows your income to be drastically higher when it comes to qualifying for other properties. Even if you were to do student housing for the first few years, you can use this as a catapult to gain more income and to qualify for more properties earlier on in your business. Who is student housing good for? I would say that student housing is good for one, parents who have children who are in college, still want to invest, maybe allow their kid to go to school free while their kids' friends are paying the mortgage. It's also good for someone who has a little more time on their hands, a little more time to be a little more, proactive, hands-on. If you're already, in the real estate game, or if you're looking for more passive income, I wouldn't say student housing would be the best option for you. Some things that come along with student housing is, as I said earlier, you have higher turnover. You'll have more maintenance on the property. You have 4, 5, 6 people living in one property. Of course, more things are going to go wrong. You're going to have a little more structure and maybe a little better business plan when you're dealing with this, because you have random people in and out the home and they have to commingle and get along with each other. There's different tips and strategies that you can use to make this the most efficient as possible if you're going to do it. And I'll have other videos discussing these tips and strategies on student housing. All in all, student housing is how I built my business, and I started doing student housing in 2016. I believe student housing is a great fit for everyone and definitely something that we should all consider when looking into investing in real estate.